Word explorers, it's time to open your minds to a new way of thinking. Today we're unlocking another powerful word right here on Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is perspective. Can you say it out loud? Perspective, let's go. Let's spell it together, ready? P-E-R-S-P-E-C-T-I-V-E. That spells perspective, great job. Perspective means a particular way of viewing or thinking about something. Let's break that down. It's about the angle, opinion, or viewpoint you bring when looking at a situation in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as perspective. Say it with me. Viewpoint, outlook, stance, position, interpretation, opinion, approach. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds more richness to your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of perspective. Narrow-mindedness, bias, blindness, prejudice, ignorance, distortion. Pause here and review the antonyms, so you know what perspective is not. Here's a great example. Sofia shared her perspective during the class discussion. Let's review. Perspective means a particular way of viewing or thinking about something. Synonyms: viewpoint, outlook, stance, position, interpretation, opinion, approach. Antonyms: narrow-mindedness, bias, blindness, prejudice, ignorance, distortion. Perspective is what makes your voice unique. When you share your perspective, you help others see the world in new and different ways. Here's your challenge. Share your perspective about something today. It could be about a story you read, a game you played, or even what you think about your favorite food. Then use the word perspective in your sentence. Words like perspective remind us that every viewpoint matters. Your ideas, your voice, and your way of thinking can help make the world brighter. Keep sharing your perspective, word explorers. You're doing incredible things, and I'll see you tomorrow with another exciting word adventure.